ka Selong Western Bypass.
Ka parti kala ban amya kun habaro ki seat kathmu ban penyang ya ki kertong hakikat tu kat ni ki konstituensi. Ha ka jing persang ban penklan ya ka jing penterekam jongka habaro anrupo teli ki konstituensi ha Meghalaya ka BJP kala Thung ya anrupo ngut ki Mandal president. Kani ka jing penbena kalawan hadin ka jing job jong ya ka jing penrung dekat ya ki anrupo hajar ngut ki dekat hapo arbenai. State General Secretary uba one kit bok pochna ula pensyai bala wandur ia kani ban penklan ia kerukam terekam jong kaseng ha ka bayade ba ka election MDC ban salong shen state vice president uba kraubok lang besaya moj ula pentip bawat la kaseng kala ban amya kun habaro ki constituency Henry katmu ban sai kertong tang hakikat tu kat ni teli ki constituency.
This exercise started in the month of September on 2nd, wherein our first primary member was our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thereafter, all the national leaders, the state leaders, the district leaders renewed the membership, as well as we went throughout the state, in fact throughout the country, to enroll new members. So in this exercise, the party could gather more than 12.8 crores new memberships this time. And in Meghalaya alone, under the leadership of our state convener, Shri A.L. Hegji, we had registered new primary members of more than 60,000.
Dr. W.R. Kharluki, ubade